since this is 0, that means the y from the standard equation, the y has been replaced with 0. Okay? So we have a 0 there. So the first thing that we have to do is to look where the graph crosses the line y equals 0. Where's the line y equals 0? It is the x-axis. Alright? So therefore, this point here and this point here would be the two fixed points. So therefore, we have x equal, let me just put it at the top here. We have x equal -3, and we have x equal 1. X equal 1 and x equal -3. So if you were solving an ordinary quadratic equation where x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0, then these would be the solution. These would be the solution. Alright. So now, because we're looking at greater than or equal to 0, then now we would draw, this line is drawn for us already. Alright. Let me just do that again. Alright. Good. So looking at greater than or equal to 0. Alright. So kind of messy there, but let us do that. So greater than means above the line. Above the line, but if it's above the line, it is outside the curve. So the solution set is out here. Cool? If it's above the line, you can't draw it to the shading on the inside of the curve because there will be no boundary there to show the shading. And therefore, it's above the line is also on the outside of the curve here. Alright? So you have at least two boundaries there. Alright? Taking it. Now, so your solution set then would be on this side, x is greater than or equal to 1. From 1 to positive infinity. And then over here, x would be less than or equal to -3. So it's from -3 to negative infinity. So these are the two solution sets. Again, what do? Look at this 0. This is the deciding factor. The 0 tells us that y is 0. So where is the white line y equals 0? It is the x-axis. Find the fixed point, which is -3 and +1. Then because you're saying greater than or equal to 0, then it's above the line. But because the curve is like this, then it's above the line but on the outside of the curve.